Hello everybody, welcome back to our garden series. So even after all the hand pulling we've done, still a couple of weeds popping up. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray the garden with some of the pre-emergence I showed you previously on our lawn video. We have a mixture of Tenacity, Triclopyr for insecticide, and our added surfactants. So this is just going to be to try to prevent any future weeds from growing and kill off the ones that we have growing now. So you just want to be nice and methodical. Give them a good spray. This way when we actually get to planting, we won't have to worry about the weeds so much. Try to avoid spraying our plants, so I don't want to accidentally damage them. I won't put too much stress on them right after the winter. Hit a couple of these weeds growing on the outside. This guy over here. Getting a good spritz. This guy. Oh, crabgrass or something growing there out of the pavement. Tenacity will take care of the crabgrass. And there we go. This should prevent any further weeds from coming up. Shouldn't harm the garden. And hopefully we get closer and closer to planting. Thanks again. Take care.